was originated in the Wuhan Institute of Virology, Hubei, the province of the capital city of Wuhan, China. The first case was reported on 17 November 2019, but the doctors and the authorities detected the virus in December 2019. The Wuhan team performed genomic sequences on the first 5 patients at the early stage. Obtaining the full-length genomes, they found that the 5 strains were almost identical to each other, and the nCoV 2019 was 96% identical to the bad coronavirus. In addition, they said nCoV 2019 was 79.5% identical to the SARS, and the nCoV 19 uses the same cell entry receptor ACE2 as SARS. It all started when a doctor sounded a warning that a cluster of virus may go out of hand, but then he was ignored.
This outbreak is a global health emergency, the WHO said on January 30, raising the alarm further on March 11 when it declared the crisis a pandemic. The rapid spread of virus has been accompanied by an equally rapid spread of myths and half information about the novel coronavirus. Some of them are: myth, temperature, humidity could affect transmission rate of COVID-19. This is a myth. The World Health Organization has observed that this infection can be transmitted in any and all areas regardless of climate. Non-vegetarian food consumption can lead to infection. It has been established that the novel coronavirus jumped species from an animal to a man and is originally a zoonotic disease. However, no known animal species has been known to carry the virus as of yet, and medical experts have asked people not to believe in rumors and eat non-vegetarian meals as long as they are prepared with utmost care for hygiene. Myth: drinking alcohol can cure COVID-19. There is no evidence whatsoever to prove this claim. While alcohol-based hand sanitizers are a recommended precaution against any virus, drinking alcohol while seeking to cure COVID-19 is the same as drinking alcohol-based hand sanitizer and expecting it to taste like a pint of beer.
From Wuhan, the virus started spreading to the other cities of China like Zhejiang, Guangdong, and Hunan. The authorities of China warned about this to the WHO on December 31. Thailand was the first country to have the coronavirus infectee outside China. On January 13, the coronavirus infectee was detected in Thailand. On Jan 23, WHO says that the outbreak does not yet constitute the public emergency of the international concern, and there is no proof of human-to-human transmission of the virus. As a result, no one took the virus seriously. US became the pandemic epicenter of the disease. US has had its first case of coronavirus on January 28. On January 30, India had its first case of coronavirus. As cases were increasing day by day, PM Narendra Modi ji announced a nationwide lockdown. On March 11, WHO declared COVID-19 as a pandemic and warned the countries to take the preventive measures to control the spread of the virus. Every country was under a lockdown. Clubs, markets, malls were shut down. Only daily needs and essential services were open.
COVID-19 vaccine. A race to find vaccine for COVID-19 is well underway. Government and researchers are aiming to provide billions of people with immunity in 18 months or less, which would be unpredictable. Developing a successful vaccine is not enough. Many countries also face a looming challenge of providing quantities necessary to provide immunity to all the citizens of their country. And competition is already emerging over who will have access once a vaccine is ready. There are more than 100 vaccines in paraclinical development by pharmaceutical companies, academic institutions, government agencies and others. More than 70 of these are being tracked by WHO. 8 vaccine candidates across the 4 countries are already undergoing clinical trials. While several of these candidates are already suffering hopes, experts warn that it is too early to determine if any will be successful in later stage trial. These are several countries who are engaged in developing vaccines. Some of them are India, UK, USA.
India has total 1,67,000 cases with around 4,750 deaths and about 72,000 people have recovered. USA continues to be the most affected countries with 1.7 million cases and more than 1,01,000 cases have died. The best part of this is that 381k patients have recovered. Following US, the Russian and European countries are also very badly affected by coronavirus. Worldwide, 5.87 million cases are confirmed with 362k deaths. And the best part of this is that 2.46 million cases have recovered.
The coronavirus pandemic has infected almost 2 million people and killed more than 1,19,000 people worldwide as of 14 April. On 17 March, the European leaders agreed to close the EU external border. Only essential travel would be allowed. Spain's government set out guidelines on 11 April for people returning to work under the loosening of lockdown restrictions. On 16 March, Germany closed its border with Austria and Switzerland except for more than 10 people. On 28 March, California ordered its 40 million residents to stay at home. India has suspended all visas for foreigners until the mid-April. India has imposed a strict lockdown on its 1.3 billion population after a sharp rise in coronavirus cases. Indian government shut down the whole country until the pandemic of COVID-19 get controlled. Under the Make in India campaign, government released the 20 lakh crore package for the Indian migrants, for the farmers, for the vendors and for the other people who wants to start their.
As precaution is better than cure, the World Health Organization has given us the major precaution to be followed to fight against COVID-19. Those are clean your hand often and wash for about 20 seconds. Use soap and water or an alcohol-based hand rub. Maintain a safe distance from anyone who is coughing or sneezing. Avoid public places. Maintain a social distance of about 6 feet. Whenever leaving the house, always wear a mask or gamcha to cover the face. Don't touch your eyes, nose or mouth. Cover your nose, mouth with your bent elbow or a tissue when you cough or sneeze. Stay home if you feel unwell. Don't go outside unless and until you have a important work. Whenever you are bringing anything in a house, to sanitize it before using. If you have a fever, cough and difficulty in breathing, seek medical attention. Call in advance.
What if I said there is a good side effect of coronavirus? Lockdown, health problem, food crisis, all of these feels like big dark cloud. But there is a silver lining. Coronavirus is changing the world. We are locked inside our homes, shopping malls are closed, roads are empty, and flights are on ground. 1 year back, if someone told us life would be like this, then nobody would have believed it. But today, it is a fact. Let us understand how we can look beyond the problems and challenges and see the bright side. Number 1. Work from home. For the first time ever, Monday and Friday look the same. Flexible work hours, no wasting time in traffic, and unlimited coffee breaks. There are so many positive, even your employers can see them as well. The nature of work will be vastly different over the next few years. Work from home for companies means reduce. What is seat cost? Office rent, electricity conveyance, housekeeping. Apart from your salary, your company spend on a lot of different things. A lot of companies might continue this even after the lockdown ends. And that's not really bad. Number 2. How we spend. Our whole spending pattern will change. Just like the way people who never used net banking before are using it for the first time to pay their bills. People stop spending on something and start spending on other things. E-books over physical books, home delivery over supermarkets, online movies over theaters. But there is a bright side. We are spending less on the things that we really don't need. We realize that there are a lot of people who are less fortunate than us, and many of us have donated for the first time. If you are one of them, then I'm proud of you.
Health experts from all around the world say that the novel coronavirus will stay with us for many years and might become endemic like chickenpox, measles. So until the government release the detailed guideline, here are the few things we should keep in our mind while returning to the work. First, avoid mass gathering. That does not apply to parties, weddings and ritual, but also cafeteria and conferences. Second, double down on hygienic practices. We should wash our hands whenever touching doors, knobs or lift button, and rub your desks with paper towel or sanitizers. Avoid a hug or shaking hands with, rather go for a namaste for greeting. Third is distancing in work. Ensure that there is space of 6 feet between people, either the people is fine or not. Instead of using lift with crowded people, use staircase. Fourth, a protection and safety kit. Prepare a safety kit before you step out of the house, which include face cover, sanitizer, tissues, paper and gloves. What will not change? The people who do more will always get more. The people who choose knowledge will be the people who have power. People who understand the rules of the race first will always stay ahead of the curve. Thank you.